Are you just starting your lock journey? Or are you still very early in your lock journey and you're wondering what the experience or the journey might look like for you? Okay, so I'm just going to give you insights on my own experience. I am currently 8 months locked and I'm still trying to navigate it, but I've had some experiences. The first month and the 8 months is way different. So I'm just going to share with you the things that have happened or the things that I've noticed that's happening now in the 8 months. So let's get right into it. So if you're curious, stay to the end of this video. You will learn a lot. Hello vlog fam, you're welcome to Lock Life with Lola Classic, and if you're new here, this is a channel where I am documenting my locks in a starter phase. I am currently 8 months locked and I'm still trying to understand it still. So we can just be here and you can just get some insight. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video, comment, like, and share. So let's get right into the video. I am 8 months locked, and like I said before, there's a difference from the first month to the 8 months. So let me just let you know that it's actually going to be different. The things that you're going to observe, there are things that might even look scary. And you're like, what's happening? You know? But let me just share mine with you. First one is my locks added a lot of length compared to the first month. So I'll show you a picture of my first month with locks and my 8th month with locks. There is a difference. So if you're wondering, oh, I just started my locks, will this ever even grow? This one that I put my head into like this. Are you sure this is the right thing? Of course it's the right thing. Just leave your locks, let it do its thing. Of course it will grow. So what I have noticed is that my locks doesn't look the same again. The way it looked like when I just started the locks and now it's different. There's length, it is longer, you know, it's growing, it's doing its thing. As long as you're hydrating, you're relocking, you're doing what you have to do to care for the locks, of course it will grow. So yikes, the length is different. Secondly is that my locks lost a lot of elastic, so the shrinkage has reduced. When I started my locks, right, it shrinks a lot. Like it shrinks. Like if I just spray water, you just see everything will just shrink and become very short. It's a normal thing with natural hair, you know. If you have natural hair, immediately you touch water like this, you just shrink like your hair is not long before. So I was having a lot of shrinkage, and I was not excited about it, I must be sincere. But right now I figured, you can even see it. It's not shrinking again. There's the elastic in the, you know, our natural loose hair has elastic. The elastic there has, see, that stop. It's not more shrinking again, so you can actually even see that I want to show you. See, so the 8 months of my locks is not more, it's not shrinking again. There's even water here because I sprayed my locks. See, if you see, there's water and it's not shrinking. So shrinkage, like less shrinkage, I won't say it's all, but the shrinkage now is very less. So that means my locks is ready, like maturing, it's ready growing, it's ready doing its thing. So the third one is they are thicker compared to the first month when I locked it. So if you look at this, right, you can see they're now becoming very thicker. You can see the first month when I locked it, oh, it was so tiny. I was like, what is this thing? It was so tiny. So I started figuring that the things that the locks are getting thicker from my 7 months, no, not 7 months, from the 6 months of me locking it. I figured that my locks were getting thicker and I was so excited. So I'm currently in my 8th month and now my locks are getting thicker, they're having volume, and it's beautiful to watch. So if your locks is still tiny, don't worry, you will get there. It will get thicker with time, and the elastic too in it will disappear with time. At the end of the day, is with time. Locks teaches you how to love the time and understand time and let time do its thing. The fourth one is they are starting to look like locks. So when I newly locked my hair, like the first month, a lot of people did not even know if I locked it. They thought I matted it because I don't know, it was not looking like locks, even to me, actually. So now they're starting to look like locks. Like I don't even really need to talk again. People are like, oh, you locked your hair. Like and I'm so excited now. I don't need to explain myself, because then when I just started, they're like, what did you do to your hair? You know, because I had a natural loose hair. What did you do to your hair? Nobody knew. I'm not like explaining myself that I actually locked my hair. Like, okay, you locked your hair. But now I don't need to explain myself. Now everybody say, Lola, you have locks. You got your locks. Oh, how did you get it? I don't know how you got locks. Oh, I'm like, oh, so y'all know that. Oh, y'all know that it's locks now. And I'm so excited. That means the locks is ready doing this thing. It's getting matured. Like everyone is ready knowing that, yikes, this is locks. And I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited I don't need to introduce my locks again. It's already looking like locks. It's already locking. That means it's locking. It's getting mature. So yikes, it's doing its thing. So the fifth thing that I figured out about my locks in my 8-month experience is that they don't do well with heat. So I figured out that anytime there's heat, right, I actually don't like the fact that I have locks when there's heat because my scalp sweat. I have a sweaty scalp. I don't know if everybody have that, but me, I have a sweaty scalp. So I'm in Nigeria, my power supply went out, but I need to finish the video. So like I was saying, the fifth thing I experienced with my locks is that they don't do well with heat. They don't do well with heat. And I'm in Nigeria where there's a lot of heat. And I figured out that when I'm sweating, right? When I'm sweating, my scalp, so I have a sweaty scalp. When I sweat, my scalp sweats. So I start itching. And you know, when you start itching, you already have oils and all that on your locks. Before you know, I start having injury on my scalp. So they don't do well with it. That's something that I noticed. So what I do is when I'm feeling sweaty, I go and wash my locks. And you know what? I moisturize it with my conditioner. My conditioner is for moisture, actually. It gives it moisture. And I don't add anything again to it. That's what I do when I figure out that it is too much, right? I don't put oils or anything to it. So right now there's a heat wave in Nigeria, and I've not had oils to my scalp yet till when everywhere is calm. So what I do is wash and just let the scalp be. If not, I'll be itchy and I'll be very uncomfortable, and before you know, I'm doing damage to my scalp. I love my locks more than ever. I love it now this month, more than the first, the second, the third, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh month. I am loving them every day, every time. It is more, the love is like so much, I cannot even express it. I do not want anything to happen to my locks. I am so attached to my locks. It's so personal to me because I knew when I got it and why I got it. So, and the experiences I have gone through with them. So my locks is so personal to me. I am loving them and I'm learning to cherish them every day, and it has been amazing for me. So that is it. If you have your own locks and you're still trying to figure out how the journey will be for you, of course it will be an amazing journey. Just learn to embrace everything, both the beautiful side of it and the ugly side of it. Embrace everything, and that's what makes the story, and that's what makes the journey actually. So if this video helped you today, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to someone who might need it. Till I come your way next time, I'm still your girl, Your Locs Classic, and bye for now.